So once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Swift iOS. I hope you all are doing well. So let's start. In previous video, we saw what is Swift and its features. If you don't see the video yet, please see. In this video, we will see about what is Xcode and Playground. For Playground, we need Xcode. So let's see what is Xcode. Xcode. First of all, Xcode is an Apple's IDE for all Apple's platform, and it's free for all Apple users. Xcode provides all tools to create application, design, develop and publish for all Apple's platform such as iOS, tvOS, watchOS and macOS. Xcode is the only official tool for creating and publishing apps on Apple's App Store. Here are some advantages of using Xcode. There are countless benefits of using Xcode as a productive IDE for the software development of Apple's devices. First, user-friendly interface. Its interface is very friendly and it's easy to understand. Second, it provides excellent support for coding competition. Third, built-in developer tools like simulator for all the devices, all Apple devices. We don't have to we don't need physical devices to run our application. We have to only run simulator, and we have to check what device we need. We will see all this stuff in the upcoming videos. Next, we will talk about Playground. What is Playground in Xcode? We can use Playground in Xcode to quickly write some Swift code, experiment with the new Swift syntax, or work on your Swift algorithm. Also, Playground in Xcode are great way to learn Swift programming. In this tutorial, we will learn how to get started with Playground in Xcode. So let's start. I am opening App Store. Here you can see the interface, and we have to search for Xcode. Without Xcode, we don't open Playground. We need it. Here you can see the Xcode is already installed, and its size is like nearly 7 GB. Please install it. It's very easy to install and it's free. Don't worry, we don't have to pay any amount. I will open it. As I click, there is an interface look like that. Here there is a file option, new, project, Playground, and there is two options, iOS, macOS. I am clicking in iOS and clicking next. As the its give name Playground, great, already there, so I replaced it. Full screen, and you can see the interface look like that. Here are project directories, and there is a line. What are the lines storing? Here there is only a UI kit import. It's a framework, and var, it's a variable for storing a string. As you can see, we can print it by typing simple print greeting, and if I run it, you can see hello playground is printed. So I hope you understand what I am trying to deliver. So please do subscribe and like my YouTube channel, and in the upcoming videos we will see what are variables, constant, and what are the different types of data types. I hope you guys will support me. Do subscribe and share the feedback. Bye. Thank you for listening.